Small space, big style. 2025 minimalist design and color trends. As we step into 2025, minimalist design continues to redefine how we live, especially in small spaces. With real estate becoming more expensive and urban living more compact, the focus has shifted to maximizing style and function in every square meter. The minimalist philosophy of less is more is now more relevant than ever, offering a solution that balances beauty, practicality, and intentional living. Minimalism in 2025 goes beyond simply decluttering. It's about creating spaces that breathe, feel harmonious, and reflect a calm state of mind. Clean lines, neutral tones, and smart storage solutions are at the core of this approach. But 2025 introduces a new layer to minimalist interiors: personalization and sustainability. Instead of cold, stark spaces, this year's minimalist trend blends warmth, comfort, and eco-conscious choices. Designing for small spaces means being strategic with layout and furnishings. Open floor plans are increasingly popular, even in compact apartments. The key is to eliminate unnecessary partitions, allowing natural light to flow and making the area feel larger. Multi-purpose furniture is essential. Think fold-out desks, sofa beds, nesting tables, and wall-mounted storage. These elements help maintain an uncluttered look without sacrificing functionality. One of the standout trends this year is the upcycling movement. Rather than buying new, many homeowners are repurposing old furniture or materials. A vintage cabinet might be transformed into a modern vanity, or reclaimed wood might be used for shelving. This not only adds character but supports sustainability, a growing priority for modern designers and homeowners alike. Storage design in small homes has also become more sophisticated. Hidden compartments, under-bed storage, and custom cabinetry that blends into the walls help keep things out of sight. Open shelving is still used, but only when styled with intention, featuring a few select books, a potted plant, or ceramic pieces to create a curated look. When it comes to color trends in 2025, minimalism takes on a more nature-inspired and emotional direction. While classic white and gray remain timeless, there's a growing shift toward warm, earthy hues. Sage green is emerging as the new neutral, versatile, calming, and easy to pair with other tones. Sand beige, terracotta, warm browns, and muted clay are also trending, adding a cozy and grounded feel to minimalist spaces. Ocean-inspired blues and soft pastels like dusty rose, pale lavender, or misty blue are being used as accent colors to add depth without overwhelming the senses. The idea is to create a sense of tranquility and flow. Instead of bold contrasts, designers now layer different textures and tonal variations within the same color family to enhance visual interest while keeping the space cohesive. Textiles and decor also play a big role in bringing minimalist color schemes to life. Linen curtains, wool rugs, cotton throws, and ceramic vases in muted tones reinforce the natural, lived-in feeling. Indoor plants are becoming essential accessories not just for aesthetics, but to improve air quality and promote a connection to nature. Biophilic design is a recurring theme, with many small space homeowners incorporating vertical gardens or windowsill herb planters. Ultimately, 2025's minimalist style is about thoughtful living. It's not about having less for the sake of less, but rather making every choice count. By focusing on smart layouts, upcycled furniture, and calming color palettes, even the smallest homes can feel expansive, stylish, and uniquely personal. In a fast-paced world, these serene, functional spaces offer a much-needed sanctuary.